Welcome to English Learning from Scratch. Today we learn leisure activities. Watch TV means watching television at home. Go to movies means going to the cinema. Hang out with friends means spending time together with friends. Watch TV. You watch television shows at home. Series are long stories with many episodes. News tells about current events. Movies are films you watch on TV. Go to movies. You go to the cinema or theater. Films are movies on the big screen. Blockbusters are very popular movies. Hang out means spend time together. You chat and talk with friends. You laugh and have fun. With friends means meeting your friends. You meet at cafes and drink coffee. You meet at parks and walk together. You meet at homes and eat food. TV channels. News channels show world events. Sports channels show football and basketball games. Dramas are serious stories about life. Comedies are funny stories that make you laugh. TV programs. Shows are entertainment programs. Episodes are one part of a series. Seasons are groups of episodes. Series are long stories with many episodes. Movie types. Action movies have fighting and adventure. Romance movies are love stories. Comedy movies make you laugh. Horror movies are scary stories. Cinema, you buy tickets to watch movies. Popcorn is a popular snack at movies. The screen is very big at the cinema. Seats are comfortable places to sit. Places to meet friends. Cafes serve coffee and food. Parks have grass and trees for walking. Malls have shops and restaurants. Homes are where you live and eat. Activities with friends. Talk means speak about many things. Laugh means make happy sounds. Games are fun activities to play. Food means eat together. Practice question 1. What do you do at home? Answer, I watch TV. Practice question 2. Where do you see films? Answer, I go to movies. Repeat these questions and answers. What do you do at home? I watch TV. Where do you see films? I go to movies. Practice question 1. What do you do with friends? Answer, I hang out. Practice question 2. Where do you meet friends? Answer, at cafes and parks. Repeat these questions and answers. What do you do with friends? I hang out. Where do you meet friends? At cafes and parks. Practice yes/no questions. Do you watch TV? Answer, yes, I watch TV. Do you like movies? Answer, yes, I go to movies. Repeat these questions and answers. Do you watch TV? Yes, I watch TV. Do you like movies? Yes, I go to movies. Final practice question. What do you do on weekends? Answer, I hang out with friends. Repeat to practice all activities. Watch TV, movies, friends. Say these words many times. Watch TV, go to movies, hang out with friends. Practice speaking English about leisure activities.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.